Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ucaman jong Meghalaya State Planning Board uba metba lingdo akan nyo terik menailat aja apulai. Ulong ba unsapani ka Kaiphod halor ke jingsha pengat kerdan kum ke Jylla ke Baduk tasam hagari. Hagi jing ekran bigla petai kubur uba metba ulong ba unsapani ya borok ke jing tip ke bamnya. Khanang ban tip ya ke jing shisai ke kerdan jong ke Jylla kum balapau. Ka Meghalaya kala sya pengat ha ke kerdan ke Baduk tasam hagari India na pedengi santeli ke Jylla Baduk tam. Kini kalapau petai ka kum ke Kaiphod bala ai kerteng National Multidimensional Poverty Index, a Progress Review 2023, bala pelat ba dari Niti Ayok hakikat nyo terik menaitung. Uba metba ubelong ru lampang barem gayeng dorba tau an Jylla. Ulai itu ba kebut kan sa ai ke jing ai jengmut sya ke sarkar halor gini.
Both we will ask all the details, data and figures, why exactly the ranking of the state is to that level as reported. Then we will work out on what exactly needs to be done. As far as the planning board is concerned, so that we can suggest the government also currently if needed. That other things also, other subjects also will be discussed side by side. Yet to finalize the date by tomorrow. Hopefully, I will decide the date.